Have you ever heard the sound of a black hole? We're not talking about science fiction. In 2022, astronomers captured something terrifying. The actual sound coming from a real black hole located at the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster. But, how is that even possible if sound doesn't travel through the vacuum of space? Well, that region is filled with gas and particles, enough to create vibrations that were amplified and converted into sound we can hear. And the result? A deep, eerie roar. Something that feels like it came straight out of a cosmic horror film. It's as if the universe itself is screaming, and to think that sound traveled millions of light years to reach us. Would you have the courage to listen to it, alone in the dark,